You live in East Montpelier?
I live one. Oops! Uh-oh. We're in the dark. I think the power went out. I don't think somebody turned the lights off. Anyway, I'll show you how to get out if it doesn't come back on. I come over here and I look around the store to see what's needed in the morning, early in the morning. This time of year, come and fire up the furnace, look around, get whatever is needed. And if the syrup needed to be canned, I come down and start syrup heating. If there's candy to be made, you saw how I make it. I came in 12 years ago and I just walked in and started working. Nobody asked me. I make, except for the big guys in Vermont that have big power equipment to do it, I think I make about as much candy as anybody, I can think. I have molds to make rabbits, big leaves, little bitty hearts, small hearts, moose heads, let's see, sap buckets, oh, big hats. We sell a lot of big hats. Every time I go anywhere where they sell molds, I'm looking to see if there's anything new. The one I want to get is the Vermont woodchuck. This will probably fill 2 of these molds, but I also can cook more. This was just a gallon of syrup. I can cook up to 2 gallons of syrup. I have to be careful it doesn't run over and get on the table, because if it gets on the table, it's disaster. Then I can't move the plywood back and forth because it'll stick down. See how it turns nice and white and creamy? Mm-hmm. It's supposed to be creamy. You'll see in just a minute, things will come together here. Most people get all upset and they think this is the end of the world when this happens, but I have learned, don't get too upset about it. Just keep on going. You gotta just go fast. Then I gotta quickly turn it around, move it toward the back, start over again. All the time you gotta be thinking, do I need more syrup in the thing or not? But don't put too much because that'll run into a mess. I've seen the day when I first started that when that happened, I would get all upset. Everything would come to a stop and all the syrup turns to hardened up stuff in there. Then you have to melt it down and start all over. But as time goes on, you get where you can overcome those things in a hurry. And this will go upstairs. It'll have to sit for maybe 3/4 of an hour, and then you just remove the candies from the mold. I've made it a whole 8 miles in my whole life, from Calais to Montpelier. I've made maple syrup before, but I'd never made candy or anything. I just sort of learned it.
What did you do before?
Fixed Volkswagens.
Oh, okay.
For about 45 years. Mm-hmm. And then I had some health problems, which is all right now, I hope. And I just walked in the front door and found something to do. We used to milk cows. We don't milk cows anymore.
Just maple syrup.
Maple syrup. We milk maple trees. Yeah. That is the maple candy story.